An objective of every dairy farmer is to maximize herd productivity. The most important factor influencing productivity is nutrition. Feed quality and feeding consistency are the two most important factors in controlling a dairy farm's single greatest expense. Finding the ideal balance between feed efficiency and optimized animal performance is an advantage to any dairy farm. For years, crop production has benefited from precision technologies. From global positioning systems to yield monitors, precision technologies help maximize crop production by realizing input efficiency. Now, Dynamica Generale introduces precision feeding technology to help dairy farms get the most out of their feeding systems. Introducing the DG Precision Feeding System. The DG Precision Feeding System helps adjust for dry matter variability in real time for greater consistency, so you can more precisely construct the prescribed ration for your dairy herd, whether you use bunkers, bags, or silos for storage. Actual values of dry matter are measured on the go in real time, allowing the feeder to load the amount specified by the nutritionist in each batch. NIR analysis is done on feed ingredients, and a report for dry matter, crude protein, starch, ash, ADF, NDF, and crude fat is available for the nutritionist to monitor. The result is rapid, precise ration measurement as feed is being mixed to ensure cows receive their optimal diet at every feeding, regardless of forage and grain variability. The system has three main components. DTM feeding software keeps complete records of each feeding and generates highly detailed reports. The top scale indicator that is mounted on the TMR mixer, and the NIR analyzer, featuring near-infrared measurement technology, is mounted on the payloader or conveyor system. Using the DG Precision Feeding System is simple. The operator programs the nutritionist's prescribed ration into the DTM feeding software. The ration recipe is then transferred from the PC wirelessly to the top scale indicator. The ration is then loaded by the farm's feeding manager. Using a payloader or conveyor system, all components are loaded into the TMR mixer. The NIR analyzer performs measurements of each loaded component in real time. Measurement is simple and rapid, in 15 seconds or less. Results are visualized on the top scale indicator display and are compared against the prescribed ration. The top scale immediately recalculates the weight still needed to construct the precise ration, as programmed in the DTM software. The top scale wirelessly transmits the information to a remote control called the Dynatel 2, which the payloader operator uses to load the correct amount of dry matter throughout the TMR process. Once the ration is fully created, the corresponding data is then transferred to the PC in the office wirelessly. The DTM software can then analyze the statistics for future application and optimal control over the costs and benefits of the feeding system. Multiple ration recipes can be stored and accessed in the software and top scale indicator for feeding specific pens. Dairy operations investing in the DG Precision Feeding System typically experience rapid payback on the system in the first year of use. The cutting-edge technology helps dairies experience economic benefits from savings generated from feed efficiency, improved management of refusal rates, better overall animal health and decreased healthcare costs, lesser environmental impact, and increased milk production and improved components. Dairy farmers have long envisioned a way to better monitor dry matter and nutrient content in their everyday feeding practices. That vision is now a reality with the DG Precision Feeding System. Feed smart. Make adjustments in real time. Save on feed costs. Boost milk production. Know your dry matter and nutrient content today, because it matters tomorrow. The DG Precision Feeding System. Contact Dynamica Generale for more information.